Here's a bit of an update on the demolition of the bathroom. Put all new radiators right through the house and laminate flooring through the front room into the hall. We're about halfway through the bathroom. Laminate flooring should I say, right through. Nice vanity unit. Marble effect. What do you call them? Wall panels. I'm going to put that MDF panelling on there, which that's the top rail of, plus a bit of a dado, and round to the corner to the door architrave. Nice gold light switch and some nice gold brass, whatever you want to call them, lights. Towel radiator there, which it looks like I'm going to have to get a new one because there's a bit missing off it there, unless I can find it. Then just got to pipe that up. Don't know if you can see, but that's freestanding. And I don't know whether to do the top half in wallpaper or just paint it. I've got a bit of a fan to put in there. Thanks for watching. I think you'll agree it's a bit tidier than before.